Good evening, everyone. So, myself Ekant Toshniwal, and I hope I am audible. My screen is visible, so I will continue.
Your screen is Ekant. You can go ahead. Your time starts now.
Yeah. So, I have tried to develop a customized solution where the PDF management is made offline rather than depending on the online solutions. So, generally, what normally people do, they use the online softwares to manage the PDF files, like for merging the files, for splitting the files, or for compressing the files. Generally, people use I Love PDF, Small PDF, or any other online tools which are available without thinking about the security of the data. Most of the time, sensitive documents are being shared with them. Where those documents will be saved, it will be saved only on their servers. And how they are going to use those data, we since we lose the control over the data, we don't know how those data are going to be saved. Those data generally in a CEO offices, those data generally contains all the critical information of a client. And if the client is not a public company, obviously we are ethically liable to maintain the confidentiality of those data as well. So what I have done, I have prepared a Python script using ChatGPT where we can do these small tasks without relying on the online tools. So I will just run the solution which I have prepared. So this gives me the list of the activities which I need to do. So as of now, I have prepared it for 5 activities: for compressing, for merging, splitting, converting the PDF to Word and Excel. So I will show you how this works. So let's suppose I want to split a PDF. I will run the function. It will ask me where the PDF is being stored. Select a PDF file. So the PDF, the original source document, I will just open the original source document. It will then ask me where the splitted files needs to be saved. So I will select the applicable path, and here it also shows me what is the status of the activity. Since it says the split is completed, let us check whether we have got the splitted files. So here you see we have the 9 different pages of the particular file. So our source document was this. So you see in the source document, the number of pages are 9, and we have got 9 different pages when we use the split PDF. Now let us try to merge this PDF again to see whether the code is working or not. So again the same activity, selecting the nature of transaction which I need to do, selecting all the files which I need to merge, and selecting the output file. So I know if I want to rename the file, obviously once the file is saved, I can rename it. Here you see the merge is complete and we have got the merged output here. So again, we have the entire pages merged in a single file. So these 2 activities are generally being used by every offices for obviously preparing the financial statements in a PDF and all those things. Thus, similarly, we can also compress the PDF. So if the PDF file, if the source PDF file has the compression ratio available in it, only on that basis the compression will be done. Say sometimes what happens, the PDF file is not able to be compressed at a certain point of time. So in those cases, obviously the limitations will be there. So when I say compression file, it will ask me the source document. Say suppose I want to compress this file, and it then will ask me the output file. Now it will also ask me what will be the compression ratio, whether I want to compress it to a larger extent or a medium level or a high level compression I need to do. Even if I select a high level compression, the limitation will be dependent on the file which we are using to compress. If the file has certain characters which can be compressed by any software, then only the compression ratio will work. So even if we select 70 to 80%, it may not necessarily reduce the file size by 70 to 80%. It will just reduce to the extent possible. So once I select start compression, compression with high level is completed. So you see we have the compression file here. It is 183 KB. Let us check what was it is 184 KB. So since this file is not able to be compressed at a certain stage, obviously the compression couldn't work. But if the file has the ability to get compressed, it will work. Similarly, we can convert the PDF file to Word as well and to Excel as well. Now, the basic problem which has been tried to solve with this particular tool is the data security. If we load these PDF files on any online server, like I said, that we lose the control and ethically we become liable for the data confidentiality as well. So that's why this particular custom made Python script has been developed by using ChatGPT. Now I will show you what prompt I started with. Obviously, reprompting went on to get the final output. So I just gave a simple prompt that I want to create a Python script for doing these 5 activities: compressing, merging, splitting, converting to Word and Excel. So it started giving me the particular code which I need to use. So obviously it was not giving the exact interface which I was thinking to get at the very first place. So again, reprompting went on to the extent when I got the final solution which was in my mind that worked smoothly, so that I can share with my staff as well and they can just click and use it. Now, in any Python, what happens that obviously our staff may or may not know Python. So sometimes the library needs to be updated or the specific library needs to be installed. So what I have done, I have also created a requirement installer. So if the staff do not know which particular library needs to have installed in the particular system, he just can click on this and then the Python will just update the libraries which need to have in the system for this particular script to run. So if the system has, it will show that all the required packages are available. Otherwise, the missing packages will be installed. So with these two files, even if a new staff comes in, even if a new system is being installed at the office, he can just install the Python requirement libraries and then run the code to do the merging, splitting, compressing, whatever PDF management he or she needs to do. So this is what I have tried to do with ChatGPT and Python.
Okay.